Welcome to a unique episode of Backlash Angling. We're going to see how this goes. We are at Camp Prevail. We are in Little Catalina, Newfoundland. If you look over here, you can see the ocean just in the background there. So this is a little cabin. We'll attach the link here and we'll put some video in of the cabin itself. So it's about a 40-minute walk in, a little bit of an interesting route, a little bit of mud, a little bit of water and that, but we made it. So we are going to attempt to do a seafood boil on the fire. So, got our beer, powered by Porrex and Brewing, just down the road. We got some sausages cooking here. We're going to do those first. And we'll pan over here. We got some big local scallops here. These are 10 count, so big juicy ones. Some butter, garlic, Old Bay, some Clamato seasoning. Potatoes, peppers, some seasoning there, and then some locally caught snow crab from Sis's Seafood, which is just down from St. John's. So we're gonna get that all together, and let's see how this works out. All right, so sausage is all cooked up. We're gonna get this chunked up here, and then once we get that done, we'll actually add that after. Let's add this. We'll add a little bit of Clamato to this. And then we'll get the potatoes and the peppers. Those rocking. These are probably going to take another 10 minutes or so. We'll get that all chopped up, ready to go. And we'll see in a sec. Next step is the prep for the scallops. Now, ideally, I'd like a nice cast iron pan, but this is all we have, the Betty Crocker, I don't know what this is, baking pan. We're gonna do some butter in here, minced garlic, give her a good hefty chunk of there. There. These are our scallop skins, so we're gonna try to drain those off as best as we can. I'll get some paper towel and then after, but we'll do a little bit too. So what we'll do once everything's ready, that's going, we're gonna get this piping hot is the ideal plan. Sear our scallops, take them off. We're gonna do the crab next, and then we're gonna throw, because the crab's already cooked, we're gonna throw everything together, let it medley in through the pans, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see how this works out. So we got the fire finally rocking. It's been a bit of a hassle here, but do a bit of a timeout for our sponsor, hopefully, here by Rough Waters Brewing Company. We are looking for a sponsor, so if you want to add us in, this is the Scallywag Indian Pale Ale. And it's very tasty. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to get this butter, which is already going pretty good. We'll get that seared nice and hot. It doesn't take long, this fire is going good. Give that another couple seconds, and then we're going to get these scallops going on. It won't take long. Cool, nice, smoky. Just popped in. Give them a quick sear because the scallops don't take too long. Take them off, and then we'll skip forward to the next step after that. But look at those fresh scallops. Sizzling away. So this is kind of, we're getting to the finished product here. What we have, I added the scallops with that Clamato sauce and the potatoes, which are nice and firm now, cooked good, and the peppers, and then we got the sausages, the pre-cooked, because you got to cook them first, and these are already pre-cooked crab, so this just needs to be warmed up. A bunch of garlic and some butter in there, some Old Bay seasoning, and then I just chopped them up into legs. Oh, there goes a leg. We'll get that warming up. This probably will take a couple minutes here, get everything going, and that is pretty much it. We're gonna put that into a big old pot after, and we'll show you the finished product. here is the finished product. Bring that in. Looking delicious. Sitting here in our cabin, and hope you enjoyed the video here. And hopefully, if you're ever wanting to cook a seafood boil in the middle of the wilderness, which I don't really recommend, but if you wanted to, here is the video for it. So cheers, thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.